Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be showing you how I make twists on myself. So it is DIY hair twist. So if you've not watched my previous video, please check out the pattern part of this video. So basically this video is a part B of that one. So the previous video I shared how I part my hair for this twist, so just check the video so that you can know how I part my hair. So the previous one before that one, I shared a video on how to condition your hair, like prepping your hair down for twists. So you can as well check that one if you want to avoid breakage while twisting your hair or while braiding your hair. So you should watch that video. It will really help you things to use on your hair to avoid breakage, and even how to handle your hair to avoid breakage. So basically today's video is all about DIY twist. So I'll be showing you step by step how you can twist your hair, your own hair by yourself. So this video is beginners friendly. Okay, if you are planning to make your hair yourself, this video is for you. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share the video. So let me just stop talking and allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so don't be confused. I know this is a twist tutorial, but if you can see what I'm doing very well, you will see that I braided the down part, and that is because my hair is a relaxed hair, and then I have a lot of undergrowth right now. So if I decide to twist it, it will not be as tight as I wanted. So I decided to braid the down part for firmness, so that it will be very tight, and then I twist the latter part.